Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. Today we're going to go over the CVS ad. I try to do as many deal ideas for the P&G since we're going to be getting P&G coupons this Sunday. So just bear with me in this video because there's different options there. And also on this video, I'm going to be including the total without CRT. So let's say sometimes like it is, we get selected CRTs. You may not receive one that I mentioned on this video, that I'm going to give you the final price without the CRT right underneath that same deal. So just to make it easier for you guys. So when is this ad for? This is for CVS starting February 23rd, which is this Sunday, to February 29, almost finishing the month already. There's some freebies and moneymaker, but it all depends on the CRTs you have. Also, the printable list is going to be provided right below this video. You could just go ahead and click the link. It's going to take you straight to my website. That is the exact post, and you could just go ahead and print that sheet. So this is the printable, and also you could go ahead and print that Sunday insert schedule and have that in your binder if that's where you keep your coupons. So let's get started with the ad, and as you see, I like to include what the page is going to be at in the ad. That way you have an idea if you're glancing through it once you're in the store. Or sometimes it's very helpful in the checkout. Sometimes it'll be like the ECB didn't print and you already know where it's at, and you could just go ahead point it. That way you don't take longer in the register, just in case, just a heads up in case. So we're going to go over this both Tresemme. As you see, there's two separate deals. There's Tresemme for 28 ounce 2 for $8, and this Tresemme, which is the premium style 2 for $10, and we're going to be getting coupons. I did share that in a separate video going over all the coupons we're expecting this Sunday for February 23rd. So what is the best deal for this for you to get at 50 cents? So what you could do is buy 2 of 8, 2 for 10. Right there you reach $18. Use the 2 coupons. As you see, the coupons, you're going to be able to use them for the Tresemme products. So you're going to use 4 for one, 4 for the other. And if you have the CRT, deducting 4 of 18, which is for hair care, pay $6, get back 2 for the Tresemme 28 ounce and 2 for the Tresemme premium. So you're going to get back $4 total of ECB, making it a final price of $2 or 50 cents each. And keep in mind, this one does this one does qualify for the beauty reward, so you're more than halfway to reach those $30 to get that $3 free ECB for beauty reward. So but if you don't have that CRT for 4 of 18, then it will be $1.50. But keep in mind, if you have the other CRT deducting 3 of 12, then it will be less than $1.50 each. So next, we're going to go over the Dove Select Axe or Dove Personal Care, spend 15, get 5. I'm going to mention because it does say selected. We won't know exactly what is going to be included in the deal. We just have an assumption. Based on that, just keep in mind that this may not be included. So let's say foam, shower foam is included, then just buy 2 for $8.69. Right there, your new total is $17.38. So you need to reach 15 to get those $5 ECB. There's a coupon coming on this paper, Sunday's paper. Retail me now $2.23, deducting $2 for one. It's hard to read what the fine print is, but hopefully if it qualifies, it looks the same one in the picture. And if you have a CRT for body wash, or maybe for Dove, if you have a CRT for $2, pay $11.38 but get back 5, making it $6.38 for both, or $3.19 each. But if you don't have that CRT deducting 2, then it will be $5.49 each. See if you have sometimes I get a body wash 2 of 6, and then I get another one the next week on Sunday, and since you passed $12, you might be able to use both if you have both of those, so that would be a pretty good deal. So this is all for the personal care, but this is another option if this one is included. It looks like it does based on the picture. So buy two of the body wash, the 22 ounce. And I mentioned the 22 ounce because I believe you need to have the coupon applies for 22 ounce or larger, or the polish product. So you could just mix and match, buy 1 of each. I love this product, the polish, I really do. Or yeah, I could buy just 2 of the polish, so that will be $17.98. Use 2 coupons deducting $1 each. And that body wash CRT, making it $13.98. But after those, the cash back, then it will be after the ECB actually will be $8.98 or $4.49 each. I just want to go ahead and look at the previous one that I did mention, because without CRTs it will be $5.49 each in this case, but on the other one that I mentioned, I just want to go ahead and give you the right price, since this one is $8.69, and the coupon is deducting actually $4 total, and you're getting back $5. So your final price without including the CRT, then it will be $4.19. So that's a correction right here. But for this one, then it will be $5.49 each without that CRT. So now let's move on to a different deal. As you know, we're still on that same page. There's a lot of products on that same page from the ad, and this one is Tresemme, which we did talk about, but we're going to include one that's a little bit next to it, which is the L'Oreal hair care buy 2 get 5. Keep in mind that the prices do vary in store, so if the price is $4.99 in your store for the L'Oreal hair care or hair product, this one will be $8. This one could be $4.99 each, so that way you'll reach $17.98. We don't have any coupons here because the coupon, at least the one I have for L'Oreal, expires on Saturday. But I did check my CVS app, and this one was clipped for a while, for a long time now. And as you see, it does expire on Sunday. So if you have this coupon in your CVS app, go ahead and take advantage of this deal, because if you have this coupon, you pair it with the coupon that's coming for Tresemme this Sunday, and you have a CRT deducting $4.18, you'll pay $6.98, get back $5, and then get back a 2 ECB, making it free. So such a great deal if you have the CRT and you have this clip coupon in the CVS app. But if you don't have the CRT for 4 off 18, then it will be $1 each. Or also check if you have a 3 off 12, then it will still be a pretty good deal. Another option is if you don't want to buy the Tresemme, or you're going to do this deal instead, what you could do is buy the L'Oreal, but buy also Dove. As you see, is Dove shampoo or conditioner, 12 ounce, $2.48. Let's go and say that the price is $4.99, then your total is $17.98. Used a coupon that's coming on this Sunday's paper that I did mention on that video when I went inside the Sunday paper, or inserts expected for this Sunday. And there's a coupon deducting 2 off 2. This is the CVS coupon in the CVS app. It's a manufacturer coupon, but it's in the CVS app, and that CRT deducting $4.18. So from $17.98, you will pay $8.98. You're gonna get back $5 for the L'Oreal for buying 2, and you're gonna get back $2 for buying for Dove. And your final price is 50 cents each. But if you don't have the CRT 4 off 18, then it will be $1.50 each. If you're starting, this is such a great deal, because there is no way I would have paid $1.50 before. I used to pay regular price. But it checking your CRTs and scan your cards to see if you have a 3 off 12, then it will really bring your total down too. So now moving on to another part. As you see, this is the one we went over, Tresemme and L'Oreal. Then we did Dove and L'Oreal. I did mention that they were still all in the same page. Now we're going to go a little bit lower in that same page. And this is selected products, but this one is any of this brand available or in selected stores. So do know what they mean by selected stores. I've noticed that because it's such a luxury, or I will say a more high-end product for the drugstores, more expensive, not all CVS may have it. So if they do in your store, know that if you spend 30, get 10, and you can mix and match with from all these brands there that they're mentioning 3 of those. So here's something I put together in a deal idea, and just know that these could be very expensive. So we have the face mask for $20. That's what it says on the website, exactly $20. They have other products, cleansers or moisturizer around this price point, $19.99, $20. So I just wanted to give you an idea what you could purchase. And then you could purchase the cleanser for $11.99. So right there you reach the $30. That would be $31.99. On this Sunday's paper, I did see that we're getting a coupon for $5, but sadly it's a limit of 1, so you're only able to use 1. So that's why you only see 1 there. And if you have a CRT, we usually get CRTs. I would say usually because I usually get them, but just keep in mind this does vary by card holder. So if you got one that says cleanser 4 off 20, then go ahead and use that, and yours might be 5 off 20 or 5 off 22. So depending which one you may have, and if you got one, then you will pay $22.99, but you're gonna get back 10 ECB for buying 30. But also, because this is part of Beauty Rewards, I love this program. Go ahead and activate it if you're new. You could do that in the website or CVS app. Activate it, so anything that you purchase that it is part of the beauty program, every time you spend 30, like you see we're spending 30, you will get back 3 ECB. So in this case, we're going to be getting a 3 ECB later on in our card. It should print, and your final price will be $9.99 or $5 each, which is crazy, knowing that from $32 to $10, it's a huge savings. So such a great deal. I just wanted to mention, especially if these are products you need to stock up on or just want to try. If you don't have that CRT, then it will still be $7 each, which is still a big savings too. So now here I'm showing you 2 different pages in the ad, and the reason is because, as you see here, it says spend 20 get 5, and we have the code here, then we have another one that has the same code here. So this is part of that mix and match deal. So I'm going to be mentioning a few different scenarios, which is all the ones you see on this picture here on this page, and also I'm going to be including the crest in some of those scenarios. So that's what I wanted to show you, both of the pages. So let's go ahead and go inside, and let's just start. Just be patient, because there's different deal ideas, and let's see which one works best for you. So buying all these 3 different products, it will be 82 cents each, and this is how you're gonna buy the Tide liquid, you're gonna buy the cleanest, is 2 for $3, and you're gonna buy the Pantene, which is 3 for $12. Right there we reached $20, $20.94. There's coupons coming for P&G. Hopefully we're able to get it digital too, so that way, in case you don't get the paper, digital is another best way to go, but we will know only on Sunday once we open our app for CVS. So you're going to use a coupon for P&G for Pantene, deducting 5. There is a CRT that's going to print for everybody, so go ahead and scan your card this Sunday, so that CRT is printed, and you can just go ahead and use it at checkout, so that way you save $1 for buying 2 of the Kleenex. Tide is $2, the coupon. And if you have a CRT for hair care, deducting 3 off 12, that will be perfect to stack it up with the Pantene deal. So from $20.94, it will be $9.94. Such a great deal already. You're already saving $10, but you're gonna get $5 at the end of your receipt for buying $4.94. For buying $20, making it $4.94 or 82 cents each. And I love that right here. You're getting $12 that is gonna be accumulated to that beauty reward. So keep that in mind. If you don't have the CRT for hair care, or you're going to use that CRT on another deal, then this whole will be $1.32 each. So another deal, let's say you want to buy Charmin and you want to buy it at a really good price. I think this could be a good price depending how you see it. So buy one of the Charmin for $9.99, or you could buy the Bounty depending which one is a product you want to get. Buy 3 of the Pantene, that will be $21.99. Use a coupon from P&G for Pantene, deducting 5, 1 for Charmin. Use a CRT for hair care, deducting 3 of 12, and use a CRT for toilet paper, deducting 2 of 8. So from $21.99, you will pay $10.99. Get back 5, and your total is $6. So you could just say that the Pantenes were free, and the Charmin came out to $6. You could see it that way, or you could see it as $1.50 for all 4 products. Or if you don't have those CRTs, then it will be $2.75 each. Another deal idea, it would be buying the Tide liquid, 1 of the Tide pods, 2 of the Kleenex, and 2 of the Crest. Keep in mind, I'm trying to keep the deals very simple, in case you get digital, or in case you are able to just use 1, because most of these coupons are a limit of 2. So I'm just trying to play it safe in case. Make it easier for you guys depending what the scenario may be. I get P&G, but I don't get these coupons on my region, so the only option I have is using it digital or printing myself the day before, since they expire so the next day. So that's why I'm keeping it very simple. So that will be $19.86, and if your store does apply to the 97% rule, meaning that because it didn't reach 20, it still is part of the deal, then this will be a great deal for you guys. I never had a problem. Sometimes I reach 1960 something and I still don't have a problem with it. So go ahead and use 2 coupons for Crest, deducting $2 each. That's CRT for Kleenex, the Tide for the Tide liquid, Tide pods, $2 each. And then if you have a CRT for Thai deducting 2 of 8, then from 1986 you'll pay $8.86. You're going to get back 5, making it $3.86 or 64 cents each, which is a pretty good deal, or 98 cents each if you don't have this CRT. Okay, so moving on, another deal idea with the Crest would be buying 3 of the Pantene, 2 of the Kleenex, and 2 of the Crest. Right there with all 3, you the total is $20.98. Use the coupons deducting 5, the CRT deducting 1, 2 coupons deducting $2 each, and the hair care CRT deducted 3. So you will pay $7.98. You get back 5, making it $2.98 or 43 cents each. So here's another deal by the Thai Liquid, the Thai Pods, and the Pantene, $22.88. Use the coupons 5 for Pantene, 2 for each of the Thai, the CRT for Thai, the CRT for hair. Pay $8.88, get back 5, and $3.88 or 78 cents each. If you don't have these 2 CRT, then it will be $1.77 each. Another great deal would be for the Pampers. Buy 2 for $20, that's a price. So they're already on a special price there. Use a coupon deducting for P&G, deducting $1.50 on each. But the one I did see in the video that I share is $3 off too, so it's basically the same thing. It's still going to deduct 3. And say if you have any CRTs for babies, deducting 3, that will be great too. That way your total is 14. After getting that 5 ECB, it will be $4.50 each, but without the CRT it will be $6 for each of the diapers, which if you see the regular price, it says $11.79. It's basically half of that, so such a great deal. So this is the front cover of the CVS ad, as you see, starting February 23rd to the 29th. The product we're going to go over here is any Covergirl Cosmetics, spend 12, get 5. And we are getting coupons this Sunday. I did mention that on that video as well. And so this is the easy deal. If you just want to get moneymaker, go ahead and buy the brow pencil for $5.99. Use 2 coupons deducting $3. This is coming on this Sunday's paper, Smart Source. And use any CRT you may have for cosmetics, 3 off 12. You could go ahead and use it for this deal. Pay $2.98 out of pocket, but get back 5 for buying 12, making it $2.02 money maker. If you don't have that CRT, then it will be 49 cents each. So this is a different part of the ad. We're gonna go over selected men's beard or skincare, spend 12, get 4. I did this deal this weekend, actually of this week that's going on right now, and the shave gel is not included in the deal, so I don't think it's going to be included on this week's deal. So what you could do is buy 2 of the post shave balm for $8.99. There is a coupon, as you see here, that you could use. A Smart Source February 2nd, deducting 2. So use 2 of those. Pay $13.98, but go ahead and open your Ibotta app. This is my referral code for the Ibotta app. Right there. One thing I like to do is I like to scan it in the store to make sure that that product does qualify. So you will get $1.50 cash back for each. So that will be $3. And after the ECB of $4, this will come out to $5.98 or $2.99 each. So if there's any printable coupons and the shopping list and the cashback that like I just mentioned for Ibotta, is going to be all provided below, right below this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you are excited for the new ad that's starting February 23rd. And I hope these deals are very easy for you guys and helpful to help you save so much money when you go couponing. So thanks again guys for watching this video, and on to the next video. Bye.